the African savanna baked under the sun. Young Leo, a restless lion, yearned to prove himself. A brutal drought hit, leaving only one water source, a hidden pool guarded by Baloo, the mighty elephant, and his herd. Other animals feared Baloo, but Leo's pride was suffering. He had to act. Leo approached the towering Baloo, a small figure against giants. Baloo rumbled a warning, but Leo didn't attack. Instead, he let out a powerful, pleading roar, a cry of desperation, not aggression. He stood vulnerable, yet resolute. Baloo, surprised by Leo's courage and his heartfelt plea, hesitated. He saw the widespread suffering mirrored in Leo's eyes. Slowly, Baloo moved aside, granting access to the water. He understood that true courage wasn't just strength, but compassion, even between predator and prey. From that day, a silent respect grew between the lions and elephants, born from a young lion's brave roar.